Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001, and this video I'm going to show you a really awesome opportunity to make some awesome money online because not most of the people are taking advantage of this opportunity, and that's the reason why you can jump into this opportunity and make a ton of money out of it. Okay, so this is something which is really very unsaturated, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money out of it. Okay, so the one thing you need to understand that most of the people who are in the online industry or online marketing field have always started with freelancing, and I'm talking about freelancing. Okay, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you really awesome platform to start your freelancing, and you can get most number of clients in the upcoming period. Okay, this is something which is really interesting in the freelancing opportunity not most of the people are doing, and that's why reason that you can make a ton of money out of it. So now let's get started into the video. Let me reveal to you that entirely awesome opportunity to make some awesome money. But if you are really interested in making more money online and are interested in earning ton of money, okay, I'm really saying a ton of money, then do check out the first link in the description. That's a plug and play affiliate marketing system which I am personally using, and it has given me some great results. And if you want those type of results, then do check out the first link in the description. Okay, so now let's get started into the opportunity and let's begin. Okay, so let me reveal to you that particular website. Don't just skip the video as I show the website, because if you are gonna do that, you will be missing that opportunity. Okay, so now let's get started into the video and let me show you that particular website where you can do various things and make a ton of money out of it. Okay, so now let's minimize this stuff and let's go. So this is the website which is known as quickandgigs.com. Okay, this is a website just like fiverr.com, upwork.com and all this stuff. It's a freelancing website, but the thing about this website is this is particularly a new website and this is not too old. That's the reason why there are very less people who are providing that services on this website, and that's the reason why there is a huge opportunity for you to be the first one to use this website and to be the first one to make a gig on this website, so that in the upcoming months when this website gets more and more traffic, you will be the first one whom the audience or the customers will approach on this websites for some particular work. Okay, so this is something which is really awesome, and all you need to do is just check out the categories. Okay, so this, if you know about WordPress, you just create a simple gig on this, because not most of the people are providing their services on this website. You can see there are very less gigs regarding any of the topics. Okay, so you can see only this many people are providing the services about WordPress: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I can just count them on fingers. That's just almost 20 people are providing this service. Okay, so if you are interested and know something about WordPress, then you can definitely make your gig on this website. As this website is gonna get old, there is going to be more and more competition on this website, and that's the reason why you could do it. Okay, and you can start making money out of it. And you can see this landing page, so you can see there is also very less competition in terms of landing page. So you can see only this many people are providing this. Okay, so that's really some not too many people about this, so there is no much competition in this landing page gig. So I highly recommend that you should do this landing page gig on this website, because not most of the people are providing their services on this website regarding this building a landing page. Okay, and you can be on the first you can be the first a very few you can be the first person on this page if you just start providing your service utilizing this website. Okay, so you can see there are many other different types of things, such as logo designing, video editing, intros and all this stuff. Okay, so you can provide all these services on this. Okay, and there is a very low competition as compared to fiverr.com or as compared to people per hour and all those other freelancing websites. So for those who are really serious and want to start the freelancing businesses online, then I highly recommend this awesome website to all those people, because in the upcoming days or upcoming year, it's gonna get a huge amount of traffic. And the thing is that many people will start coming to this website, and day by day the competition will be increasing. And as the competition increases, there is a very low chance for the people to make more money. But as there is low competition, there is a huge chance for you to make money on this website. Okay, so you can see there are all these different categories. So if you really are into writing and all the stuff, then you can also do this. So you can see all the things are available, including virtual assistant, data entry, business tips. Okay, so all you need to do is provide some business tips. Okay, that's something which I can myself do, or many of the people can do. Okay, so you can see this very simple. Okay, and there is very low competition in this type of gigs. So there is a huge chance for you to make some awesome money with this very simple websites. And there are a lot of things which you can do, and you can create gigs of almost anything. Okay, just check out fiverr.com. A lot of people are providing very different types of services, and you can also provide the same type of services and start making money out of this. Okay, because this is something which is really awesome. Okay, and let me show you what you need to do to just register on this website. Just click on this register button. You will have the small form. All you need to do is enter your username, your email, user type. Okay, you just need to select the seller because you want to be the seller and not the buyer. Just place your password, provide your phone number. No matter whichever country you are, just provide your phone number, and you just need to provide your company name. If you don't have a name for your company, give it a name. Okay, that's not difficult thing to do. Or else you can sign up with Facebook or Google or Yahoo. I don't know if people are using Yahoo even today, but still, if you are even having a Yahoo email account, still you can sign up for this website, and you can provide any of the services which are listed here. And my favorite one is this logo design as well as this t-shirt design, because not most of the people would be providing these services on over here on this websites. And you see that the t-shirt designs or logo designs can be done very easily using tools like canva.com, or you can use the tool which is known as placeit.com, and you can provide all these services like t-shirt designs, merchandise design, logo designs, and this type of services can be easily provided. Okay, so that's something which most of the people can do without any extraordinary skills. All you need to do is check out some tutorial videos on how to use Canva or how to use Placeit. Okay, and you can make this type of very simple things. Okay, and you can even start making money out of it. See, so only this many people are providing these services. Okay, it's hardly 20 to 30 people who are providing this service on this website. That's the reason why there is a huge chance for you that you can also provide this service on this website, because not most of the people are providing this service over here. And that's why you can be just the first one and make some big money with it. Okay, so just take action. Most of the people, why they aren't able to make money online is because they never take action. Okay, the thing is that you need to learn a very simple skill, and then you just need to apply that skill and start making money out of it. Okay, so I wasn't having any skills of making videos or making anything. Okay, but day by day, as I discovered online marketing, the main thing is that you just need to have some skills to get paid online. Okay, if you're not having any skills, you want to be paid online. If you are a blogger, you need the skills of SEO and writing to get paid. Okay, if you are a YouTuber, you need to be very good in terms of camera. You need to know video editing, you need to know all that stuff, and only after that you can become a YouTuber. So the only thing is that you need to develop one of the skill of online marketing, and then you can just keep making money out of the skill for a very long period of time. That's something which is really important in the online field, that is developing a skill. You can take various courses online to develop some of the particular skills which you want to learn, or you can just learn those skills from YouTube absolutely for free, because it's a huge platform where you can learn almost every skill of the world. And that's something which is really awesome, and which is the best thing about YouTube, and which I love the most, because most of the how I started my online business was watching videos on YouTube and then learning how to do that. And that's why I made all this thing, and I started my online business using YouTube, learning YouTube with the help of YouTube. Okay, that's something really funny which happened in my life, and due to this I was able to skip my 9 to 5 job and work as an online marketer full time. Okay, so you can also do it, and all these things will be possible for you. There is an excellent training which is available. The link is there in the description. Just sign up for this training, and you can just get that training and learn how to do affiliate marketing, a plug and play system, which I am personally using to make money online, and you can also use to make some awesome money online. So I highly recommend that. And if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and just keep watching my videos. You can also check out other videos on my channel. They will provide you a ton of value regarding how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and all this awesome stuff is what I am discussing on my channel. I'm having almost 200 plus videos on my channel which you can watch and find this value absolutely for free. Okay, so just check out this channel and press the subscribe button. You can also recommend my channel to other people who want to make money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.